Hey guys, Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can go about selling high ticket, that is high priced products, services, coaching, training, okay, or any luxury products, okay, how you can go about selling high priced products and services even if you are a newbie. And newbie means if you're a newcomer, if you're brand new to a business. I'll be showing you a step-by-step system that I would follow if I would have been a newcomer in a business, and what I would do if I wanted to get started in a new business, basically brand new business I knew nothing about. Okay, so I'll be trying to explain you the step-by-step process in this video, and hopefully you enjoy watching this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so many newbies have a big mindset blocker that they cannot sell high price products and services, especially coaching, training services, because they are a newbie, they are a newcomer, and nobody will take them seriously. But this is absolutely false. Okay, people will pay you to solve a pressing problem. Okay, the bigger the problem that you can solve, bigger it will be your income. Okay, so people don't pay you because of your experience. People pay you because they have a problem and they want that problem to get solved. And if you can convince them that you can solve their problem, okay, you know more than what they know in that specific area, then they will be open to pay you money. Okay, and if you can show them that you have got value which is much more than what you are charging, then they will pay you money. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so people pay you to solve your problems. Okay, second is that if you are an absolute newbie, you don't know which area you want to get into. Okay, then you should be basically initially you should be following your passion. Okay, figure out what you are interested in, which topic you are interested in, and get into that topic. Okay, figure out your strength. Okay, what is your strength? Basically, you can have an inbuilt strength right from the born, like a God gift. Let's say if you are a female, you are beautiful, then your strength is something you can go into a beauty niche. Okay, and you can like crush there. Okay, so that's how it is. If you're a bodybuilder, you are physically very strong, you can go into some sports. Okay, or maybe you can go into heavyweight lifting, something like that. So what is your strength? Okay, figure that out. Okay, you're a good speaker, then you can go into some business where basically you can use your communication strength. Basically, you can become a public speaker. Okay, so that is figure out your strength. Okay, figure out your passion, figure out your interest, and importantly, figure out the demand in that market. Okay, what I mean by demand is that are enough people out there looking to solve the problem that you're looking to solve. Okay, so a very cool way a quick way to figure out the demand is just go to Google and type in keyword planner. Okay, so this is a tool by Google which shows you that how many people are searching for a specific keyword for an average last 30 days. Okay, on Google. Okay, so let's say you are looking to solve you are helping people, you're showing people how to cook like a soup, delicious soup. Okay, so you can just go there in keyword planner, type in the keyword like a cooked delicious soup, and see how many people are searching for that in the last 30 days. So that will show you the demand of that niche. Okay, then go to Google Trends. Okay, and there you can see the trends of that market. So the trend should be like in a horizontal fashion. Okay, that means the demand for that product or niche is evergreen. Okay, it should not be like a roller coaster. Okay, so if you get into some seasonal items, like let's say raincoat, you're selling raincoats, so that's seasonal. Okay, so it will pick up the demand in the rainy season and it will drop off the rest of the year. So you don't want to get into roller coasters, you want to get into horizontal demand business. Okay, so check out Google Trends. Okay, then you need to see the buying power of the audience. Okay, of your niche. Okay, that's very important. Okay, because if people are not ready to pay in your niche, okay, they don't pay premium price, then eventually you'll get screwed, because all the markets people not pay high price. Okay, the three markets where people pay high price: health, wealth, and relationship. Okay, so there are many sub niches in these three areas: health, wealth, and relationship, and people are open to pay a good price in these three markets if you're solving a certain problem. So let's say in my niche, I'm solving a business based problem for my clients where I'm trying to help them to get leads and high ticket clients. So I'm solving the wealth related problem, okay, in my niche. So people are willing to pay high price to me. Okay, you can do that same thing in health and relationship. Okay, what you can do is go to clickbank.com. That's one of the biggest digital product selling based website. There you can just find out your niche and see how, if people are charging good money for the digital products in your niche. Similarly, go to Amazon, type in your market and see how many products are listed, what are the price points of the products, do some research. Similarly, go to Google, type in your niche keyword and see how many websites are coming up, what they are selling, how they are selling, what are their price points, everything. Learn about your top 20-30 competitors out there. Okay, see your competition out there. If the competition is huge, absolutely great. That simply means there is more demand in your market. See what your competitors are doing, what type of products and services they are selling, what are the price points, how is their funnel look like, and all that stuff. Okay, so this will basically give you a bird's eye view, okay, of like what's happening in your business. Do some research, okay, take some time to do research, okay. And then finally, if once you have picked up the right market, you really have to learn about that market, right? You have to learn how to solve that specific problem. So very simple. Today we are living in information age. You can get you can go to YouTube and search how to solve that specific problem. Buy some books at Amazon, 5-10 books, read the books, okay. Buy some coaching and training in your industry that teaches you how to solve that specific problem and become a master in that specific area. When I got started before a few years, I chose how to do Facebook ads. Okay, I want to become a master in that, and I learned everything I could possibly can in Facebook lead generation. I mastered it, and basically I built campaigns for 50 different clients and 50 different businesses, generated tens of thousands of leads. So pick the specific industry you want to master and learn in that industry to solve that specific problem for which people will pay you for. Okay, now the final thing, once you have figured out your niche, you have figured out the problem that you want to solve, the next thing you want to do is you have to pick one traffic source that you will be using to run advertising. So I would advise you to get started with YouTube paid ads initially, because it gives a quality traffic. Okay, people have an intention when they go to YouTube, they watch videos, and when you run advertising on YouTube, you get quality traffic. Okay, and then the next thing you will have to figure out is you have to learn to build a funnel. Okay, that is a funnel simply means a pathway, a set of web pages that will basically sell your high ticket products and services. Okay, so you need to learn how to build a high ticket webinar funnel, call funnel basically. Okay, and I have several videos on my YouTube channel that will teach you how to do that. Plus, you can go to my website compfimethod.com, and I'll be giving you a free online training right there. You can just register for the free training, and it will show you how to basically use traffic sources like social media paid ads, YouTube advertising, and I will show you how to build the high ticket webinar call funnel to sell your high ticket coaching and services. Okay, as well as any high ticket luxury products that you want to sell. Okay, so that's what you need to do basically, and always be open to invest in training and coaching to learn how to do marketing, learn how to sell high ticket products and services. You need to learn how to basically solve the problem within your niche so that you can give the best service to your clients. So always be open in investing, training and coaching. Okay, because the more you do that, the more you become a master at your craft. Okay, so this is basically, these are the steps I would follow if I get into a new market, and this is what you can do when you are getting started. Okay, and if you have liked this video, hit the subscribe button right below. Okay, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications basically, and of all my future videos. And in these videos I'll be showing you how to sell high ticket products and services basically. Hit the like button. Okay, if you have liked this video, share this video with your friends and relatives, and comment right below and tell me your plan basically. Okay, explain me your plan and I'll reply back to you. Tell me what you'll be doing with this information and how you'll get started with your coaching, training, high ticket business. Okay, and if you have liked this video, make sure you go to my website compfimethod.com, and as I said there, I'll be explaining you how you can start this business in detail okay, by using YouTube paid ads and building a high ticket funnel so that you can start getting high ticket clients in your business. Okay, so go to comfymethod.com. You'll see the URL somewhere on this video or right below in the description section, and go there, register and watch the free online training I have created for you. And after you have watched the training, I'll be showing you how you can book an appointment with me so that we can talk, and I can also guide you and help you one-on-one on Zoom as to how you can build this business. Okay guys, so I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and see you in the next video. Goodbye, see ya, take care.